poor village by the river, there is a boat called Ben-Hur Fair. A poor and dignified girl, her beauty is like a flower. Her family is poor, she left school early. Every day she goes to the river to help her mother ferry the boat, Ben-Hur Ferry. Beautiful girl ferrying the boat. Day after day passes, so many people cross the river by boat. Many innocent ferry passengers often blame the girl for ferrying the boat so fast. Many village boys are absorbed in admiring her. She looks like a magical girl, but they don't know that beauty blinds them. They forget the time when they see beauty. Beautiful girl ferrying the boat. Many guys brag they capture her heart, but she doesn't respond. She has a loyal heart, vows to be with the soldier during the war. The group of soldiers cross the river. Her heart is given to a figure, a soldier who fights and sacrifices himself in battle. The sincere soldier, the loyal soldier, who knows the life of a beauty. The life of a beauty is difficult. The life of a beauty should shed tears, many hardships and many sorrows. The hero crossed the river with the vow to return and marry her. And many times spring came on the ferry. The people sang loudly, searching in the army. The heroes returned from the battle, but where was the shadow of her lover? The guy did not return, the girl waited. Then someone crossed the river, brought news that he would never return. The hero had sacrificed, the vows to her were still engraved. The hero left and did not return. The girl was heartbroken, and from that news, the girl no longer ferried the boat. The ferry was deserted, without her ferrying the boat. Then came the day of sorrow. The passengers crossed the river, heartbroken, standing and watching. Her name was engraved on the tombstone. Beside the desolate grave, the girl was still innocent. Because of her loyalty, she set out to find her lover. Then in the mad smoke of gunfire, the ferry is sad. Do you know the life of a beauty? The life of a beauty is difficult. The life of a beauty makes tears fall, many hardships and much sorrow.